Optimax Global Venture. In this video we will explain cloud computing under 120 seconds. Cloud computing is a model of computing that allows organizations to access and use resources, such as computing power, storage, and applications, over the Internet. These resources are provided by cloud service providers, who own and maintain the infrastructure and offer these services on a pay-as-you-go basis. There are many benefits to using cloud computing for businesses and organizations. One of the main benefits is the ability to scale up or down as needed, without the need to invest in additional hardware or infrastructure. This can save organizations a significant amount of money, as they only pay for the resources they actually use. Cloud computing also allows organizations to access their data and applications from anywhere with an internet connection, which can be especially useful for businesses with remote employees or multiple locations. This can improve collaboration and productivity, as all team members can access the same resources and work on projects in real time. Another benefit of cloud computing is the ability to access powerful computing resources on demand. This can be especially useful for organizations with data-intensive tasks, such as data analysis or machine learning, as they can access the necessary resources as needed, rather than having to invest in expensive hardware. In conclusion, cloud computing can provide a range of benefits to businesses and organizations, including cost savings, scalability, and improved collaboration and productivity. If you're considering implementing cloud computing in your organization, be sure to do your research and choose a reputable cloud service provider to ensure a smooth transition and a successful deployment. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of cloud computing and its benefits.